Just like Oregon's government leaders and community pillars, members of the Oregon Manufactured Housing Association are always thinking about ways to build a better future for our citizens, especially when it comes to providing affordable homes that are built to last. That's why we're deeply committed to providing quality designed, efficiently constructed, affordable homes, now more than ever as we battle rising housing costs on the back of wildfires that destroyed communities around the state. The members of the Oregon Manufactured Housing Association are committed to working with policymakers to make sure the dream of homeownership is still accessible in the state of Oregon. In Oregon, there are more than 138,000 factory-constructed homes. That's 8.4% of all occupied houses in the state. Among the many good reasons why young families just starting out to downsizing retirees choose manufactured housing is that it provides the most attainable combination of quality and affordability. Today, an increasing number of our neighbors are choosing manufactured and modular homes. Because they fit so beautifully into the character of the surrounding neighborhood, it's often hard to tell the difference between a site-built or factory-built residence. From day one, every manufactured or modular home is an eco-friendly build, constructed in an efficient, climate-controlled environment away from the elements with a streamlined building process designed to reduce waste and keep costs low. After arriving to its final destination, whether a rural plot of land with mountain views or a suburb complete with sidewalks and landscaping, manufactured homes have been expertly crafted to use less energy, up to 50% less, all while being easily upgraded with a range of Energy Star appliances to greatly reduce the home's carbon footprint. Customizations of all shapes and sizes are also available through the factory-built housing process, from high-pitched roofs to granite countertops. There are no other homes on the market today marrying personalization and affordability so seamlessly, ensuring that manufactured and modular houses can fit in wherever a person's lifestyle takes them. What's more, thanks to the federally mandated HUD building code, manufactured and modular homes are strictly regulated for safety, security, and durability. Factory-built houses are not only required to meet national building regulations set by HUD, but they also undergo rigorous testing to ensure they can stand up to local severe weather, like heavy rains and extreme temperatures. In fact, a 2014 study found that prefab homes not only perform as well as their site-built counterparts in severe weather, but often outperform them.
And speaking of outperforming, manufactured homes appreciated 6 percentage points faster than site-built homes nationally between 2014 and 2019, with the median value of a manufactured house rising 39%.
And while market values continue to soar, the average price for a manufactured home in Oregon has remained reasonable at $93,500, nearly $261,100 less than site-built counterparts. Fannie Mae anticipates that affordability will remain an issue for the next decade. A 2020 Fannie study found that nationally, the average cost of a new site-built home is $300,000, with a comparable manufactured home costing nearly $100,000 less, ensuring there's still the most affordable unsubsidized housing in our state. Because watching neighborhoods grow, communities rebuild and flourish, and people thrive is the reason we get up in the morning, we are devoted to providing high-quality, affordable homes to the most people possible. Join us today in building an Oregon where the dream of personalized, wallet-friendly homeownership is within reach for generations to come.